video, we will be showing you how to remove the level sensor pad and QMM. Start by removing the two screws that holds the QMM connector in place. The QMM is typically removed by lifting the locking latch that secures it in place and pulling forward. Once it's removed, using a 7mm nut driver, remove the bolts that secures the level sensors on the printer frame. When these are removed, both the QMM connector and the level sensor will come out as one unit. When replacing the components, be careful when installing, as wires and connections can be easily damaged. Reinstall all screws and reconnect the QMM.